Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a K-pop troll, so let's get started. To draw this fabulous K-pop troll, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And come right across and draw another circle. Just giving enough room for a little nose. And so then let's come in here and make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. So thank you for all the love for my troll drawings. If you want to see more trolls, please definitely comment below and let me know which one you want me to draw. And definitely check out my trolls playlist to check out all the trolls I've already drawn. Okay, so I have eyes in, so let's come to the top right here and we're gonna draw 3 lashes. So 1, maybe the center one's a little bit longer, and then a shorter one. So same thing over here. 1, 2, and 3. From there, let's come in between the eyes and we're going to draw the little nose. So right here, just draw a curve right in the center. And we're going to round off this side and then the other side, and then connect it with a bigger curve right in the center. And then let's give our troll here a smile. So right under the nose, just gonna big wide smile and cap it off. So obviously the difference between my trolls and the original trolls is my nose is smaller, the eyes are bigger. And of course the original troll, the nose is way bigger, right? So then let's come to the top of each eye and I'm just gonna draw a soft curve. So then now let's start to draw the fabulous hair. So I'm going to come right next to the eyes. Just come to the top of the eye, say about right here. And I'm just going to start with a curve. It comes down. From there, let's bring this curve a tiny bit higher. So here, maybe. And let's see. Then about right here over the brow area, we're going to just draw a slight curve. We're just trying to frame the face right now. And then right here, about there, we're going to start to bring a strand coming all the way down. So let's come right here, close to this eye, and we're going to flare it out. So that's the goal here for this. Just these 3 curves to frame the face. Then from there, now that this is pretty much at the same level, let's come right under the mouth and say about right here. I'm just going to drag a point across so I'm pretty even, and I'm just going to draw a curve under the mouth and back up to my point. There, so I have the troll's face in. Okay, so now we can finally work on more of the fabulous hair. So let's bring this up. So just bring this curve right here. And then right here is kind of where the hair parts. So right here, we're just going to continue this right there. Okay, so then let's see. Let's bring this up a tiny bit more. We're starting to curve up a little bit. And we're going to bring right here, come down with 1 strand. So we're just building this tuft of hair on this area right here. So let's say about right here. We're just going to draw 3 strands that go up. So 1, 2, and 1 more, bigger one. So we got that side in. Now for the other side. So before we do that, I forgot, I need to draw the ear. So let's come right in this area, continuing this. So about right here will end, and I'll start about right here. We're going to draw this big ear that comes out. So big curve, and then just come inside for some details. So wobble a curve in. And then now we can, let's see here. Let's go up. Okay, so let's come right here. We're going to start, and we're going to draw a bunch of zigzags that come all the way down. Let's come up on this side. Nice and high. So about right there, I'll bring it in. And come out again. Curve this one. Come in. And so we're just building this little set right here. So come down. There's a wave of hair on this side. And one last one. All the way down. And connect. Yay! And that's very fabulous, right? So in this area right here, I'm just going to lightly draw. Maybe you can draw a strand that looks like it's coming down. Or you can do that when you're coloring. Let's bring this down. Just so you know there's a big strand here. And let's see. It's so much easier to do this when you're coloring because the Sharpie is so harsh, right? It's so dark. I just wanted to show you some of these strand lines that you could draw in there. Okay, so we're done. Now finally let's draw the body, which is really simple compared to the hair. So right underneath the head, right in the center, just draw a curve and two little shoulders. So on the sides right here. And let's imagine the armpit area, so say about here and here. And we're just going to connect this part right here for the little jumpsuit that they're wearing. And come down. Do a curve for the body. So a round little shape right here. And connect. So then from there, let's draw the legs. So right in the center. And about right here, I'm going to angle it out. So true legs are thinner at the top. And about right here. So then now let's come out with the feet. Curve it down. And wobble. And then got big toe and then two smaller curves for the little toes. So same exact thing over here. There. Okay, so now the arms. So one's going to be on her hip. So let's draw this one first. And right here, the armpit area. And angle it down. And then right here, simplify it. Just curve and bring it in. And then this hand is just kind of outstretched. So about right here. And armpit area, just follow the curve. So right here, just draw some fingers and a thumb. There. And of course, a heart right here for my K-pop troll from Trolls World Tour. So they're all done. I hope you love how this K-pop troll turned out, and I've inspired you to draw it too. Definitely draw a bunch of them so you can change up the color hair and make up the whole K-pop gang. But thanks so much for watching. And if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.